A group of concerned citizens in Karnataka, including former IAS, IPS officers, artists, writers, and intellectuals, have written to Chief Minister Basavaraj Bommai to prevent the targeting of minorities and Dalits under the BJP regime in order to preserve the state as a garden of peace for diverse communities, as noted by state poet Kuvempu. We believe the restoration of communal harmony is an important and urgent task, and trust that the government you head will not wish to go down in history as the one that precipitated a steep downturn in the reputation and fortunes of our state through inaction, the group of 75 citizens stated in the letter. The letter comes in the wake of rising instances of right-wing groups fanning communal polarization through provocations on issues like Muslim girls wearing the hijab to college, Muslim vendors and temple festivals, claims on religious structures, and attacks on places of worship on grounds of alleged illegal conversions. It is even more alarming and distressing that some people in responsible positions, including several who hold office having taken an oath to uphold and abide by the letter and spirit of the Constitution of India, now openly violate that solemn pledge and demonize members of certain minorities, says the letter to Chief Minister Basavaraj Bommai.